Hey guys, it's me, MC Panda, coming back with a new video. So I was just on Instagram and I saw this guy. He's my friend, Flaming Ninja StarCraft. He posted this thing that says you cannot play online multiplayer through Xbox Live because of how your account is set up. Blah blah blah. I'm pretty sure we almost all have seen stuff like this. I've seen it like twice and I got so mad. But then I just tried some simple steps and it actually worked. It's not the problem I have right now, but I'm just gonna tell you guys how you can fix it. So you're in Minecraft and you wanna like play with your friends, okay? So it's working for me, but for my friend it's not, and I'm pretty sure it's happened to you guys a lot. So you want to play on a server, want to play with your friends, and it says you can't because you're not signed into Xbox. You're like, somehow your Xbox Live account is set up wrong. So the first thing I did, I went to Xbox and tried to change my settings, but that takes a really long time to do. It's really simple how you're going to want to do this. So all you're going to do is swipe out of Minecraft and then shut off your phone, wait for like 10 seconds, and go back in and you're done. This is gonna be a really short tutorial video, I just realized. Okay, so you're gonna swipe out of Minecraft, then you're gonna wanna shut off your phone. So I'm gonna shut off my phone and I'll be back. But before I do that, okay, this is my Instagram. It has 738 followers. If you're just that random dude who subscribed to this random kid doing Minecraft, well then go check out my Instagram. And if you're from my Instagram, go subscribe, because why don't I have 738 subscribers? Like, shouldn't it be the other way around? Okay guys, so I've just finished restarting my phone. I accidentally turned it on, so it's not gonna make the put in your password, so like, you know, I don't have to show my password for you guys. I'll just use my fingerprint. If you go back to Minecraft, it should be good. So yeah, that's basically the tutorial. All I need to do is shut off your phone. This works for iOS and Android. So yeah. Also, I'm kind of running out of ideas of what I should do. Currently, I have my survival SMP and stuff. But if you guys have any other ideas of what I should do, I'm not trying to extend the video, then, yeah, be sure to let me know, please. I really need to know. Now let's ask Siri some questions. Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes.
T-minus 5 minutes and counting.
Do you like Alexa?
I think the acquisition of information and intelligence by human beings through virtual assistants is a very good thing.
Is Alexa better than you?
Well, I am older, so I've had more time to perfect my bad jokes.
Now, time for some quality Moana memes.
Do you know the way?
What can I say except...
It's O-Rewards Member Appreciation Month at O'Reilly Auto Parts. Stop in today and check out store-wide savings plus earn double points on over 225 items. It's our way of saying thank you. If you're not already a member, sign up today during O-Rewards Member Appreciation Month. It's fast, easy, and free. O'Reilly Auto Parts, better prices every day. O'Reilly Auto Parts.
Leave a like if you enjoyed this video.
What are we waiting for?